got a little poking around the internet, and I did find a working, fully registered version of Fraps. It is a 2011 version, and, well, I uploaded a MediaFire, so I'm going to throw you the link in the video description, and I want to show you how to use this thing. For the most part, well, here's a download right here. You open it up. You have to have Winrar to open it. Again, I'll throw a link in the video description. But what we got is full registered version Fraps. You extract it to the desktop as anything you want. It's called Fraps YouTube. And okay, that was quick. Well, here we go. Fraps YouTube! Yay! Here it is. I already installed the whole thing for you, which took like 5 seconds, but anyways, the only catch to using this is that you cannot update it, and you cannot allow the program to, you can't allow it to have access to the internet, or else it's a little thingy, the updater, and it's gonna catch that it's not a fully registered version despite it is. You don't need any key code. It's already all installed. You just open it up and start running it. I'll even show you. I think if it'll let me. I have Fraps recording this right now, so I don't know if it'll open up. Yeah, here we go. See, this is the whole thing again. Registered, it's single use, it's already all done. But anyways, to make it so that it can't access the internet, you're gonna have to go onto Programs and Files and go under Firewall, Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. And whenever this thing decides to open, but basically what we're gonna do is with this, you can change what programs you want to be able to access the internet or not. And since we don't want this to be able to access the internet so it doesn't try to update, since that'll break it completely, it'll catch that it's not, yeah, I already said it earlier, but anyways, yeah. Is this thing even loading? I think it is, just taking forever. There we go. Alright, what we're gonna do here is go to Inbound Rules, and you want to select New Rule. And in here, keep it default to program, and click on this over here, the programs, and you want to go to the where the program's located. So we go to Browse, go to Desktop, or wherever you put the program at. I just have it here, but where is it at? I have so much shit on my desktop. I stutter a lot. God, I have so much crap on here. Where is it? Oh, Fraps YouTube. Alright, anyways, you open it up for there, and you want to click on fraps.exe and open it. The program path is next, and make sure you block the connection. This would allow it so that it cannot go and access the internet. And you keep all these checked. You just call it Fraps blocked. So in case you buy it someday or something and you want it to update, you can come back here and you'll find it and you can change it. But you want to do the same exact thing for outbound rules. Just go under New Rule, Program, go back to Fraps. Next, block the connection. There we go. You can keep it the same name because it's under 2 separate categories. But anyways, that's all there is to it. Yeah, that was really easy. But this is definitely a full working version. I used this for my BioShock video. It works really well. And yeah, I guess I'll go over a quick little thing on this if you want to know basic stuff. Alright, start fast minimized. When you open up, when you start your computer, this will click this if you want to start whenever your computer loads up. The Fraps always window on top. This makes it extremely annoying if for some reason you like it always showing on top. Yeah, you can kind of see that. I don't like it, but you might. And when Fraps Windows starts, yeah, same exact thing as this, but if you uncheck this thing will come up whenever the computer starts. Monitor Aerial Desktop, this basically is fancy language for records the entire desktop. And Minimize System Tray, this is when you are recording full screen. This thing will go down here to its little corner of your computer, like an emo program. For here, I don't even know what benchmarks is, so I'm not even gonna mess with this stuff. But over here is overlay hotkey. If you want to change your, if you like seeing the frames per second thing going on, I don't. This works in games too, and it automatically shows up in any game you have open. I don't get the point of it, but you can hide it if you just click on there. Movies, you could change the directory where you want your the video files to be saved so you can actually find them. Record Win7 sound, basically this will record any game or any program you have up, and it'll record the end game sound too. But usually the sound when you record it is off by about half of a second. So if you're gonna upload stuff to YouTube, you want to make sure that the audio is in sync with video. So you might have to push the audio forward about half a second for it to match. I noticed that at least when I made my BioShock video. Record external input. Yeah, this is for your mic. If it doesn't come up on here, you go to your volume control thing, and you want to make sure that your headphones or your microphone is clicked over here for default, so the computer knows that that's the one it's gonna use. That's what it's shooting sound out of or recording from. And as long as that's on there, it should come up on here automatically. You can press this if you want. Just you can press space to record only when you're holding space for some reason. Hide cursor in video. If you don't want your mouse shown, you don't have to. Lock frame rate. If your game goes crazy, like if you're recording Minecraft and it shoots from like 120 frames per second to like 10 out of nowhere, if you're playing online or something, you can lock frame rate so it stays at 30 frames per second. So it doesn't go over, but it'll go under if your computer slows down or something. Force lossless RGB capture. Not sure what this does, but I think I heard before someone saying that it gets a little bit better quality, audio quality or something, but it makes the frames per second go down. You can mess with that if you want, but the video capture thing, full size, half size. This is if you go back under here and you're recording the full screen. This will record the entire thing, but half size will shrink the video size down in half if you want a smaller file. And for screenshots, yeah, just press F10, big deal, and it takes a picture of whatever you want. You can change the image types, but that's about it, and that's all I got for you today. Enjoy saving $40. Go treat yourself out to dinner, and take care, guys.